To mark the 2025 Press Week celebration, the Nigeria Union of Journalists (NUJ) for Federal Capital FCT Council do peaceful solidarity work on Monday to demand better press freedom, protection of human rights, and good working conditions for journalists across the country. The work wey dem name Work for Press Freedom start from Julius Berger roundabout and end for NUJ FCT Secretariat for Utako, Abuja. Over 200 journalists join the waka, hold placards wey carry messages like "Without a press, truth is silence," "Censorship kills democracy," "Defend press freedom," and "Journalists speak for the voiceless, support their freedom." As Comrade Grace Ike, chairperson of NUJ FCT Council, dey talk, she yarn say the work no be just ordinary waka, but serious statement say press freedom na key to better democracy.
Work in solidarity for media rights, press freedom, and democracy. This work is not just a symbolic gesture. It is a powerful statement that the media in Nigeria remains the vigilant guardian of truth and the uncompromising defender of democracy. As we gather this period for this Press Week activity, we reaffirm that a free press is the cornerstone of any thriving democracy. Without press freedom, society is shackled, voices are silenced, and the pursuit of truth becomes a distant dream. Our profession holds the flame that lights the path for good governance, accountability, and the protection of fundamental rights. Hence, this year's theme, Press Freedom in a Changing World.
The planning committee chairperson, Mrs. Evelyn Onyilo, still talks any democracy wey no get free press no fit grow well.
Genuine democracy will only thrive if the press is free. Every other thing short of that is unacceptable and is against the principles of ideals of democracy. So we are amplifying voices this morning to say that press freedom is not negotiable, press freedom is not should not be taken for granted, and those in power should not see journalists as enemies. This mutual kind of suspicion between the journalists and those in power, we must find a middle ground to ensure that democracy really works in Nigeria. Journalists' welfare must be taken care of. Most of them work in very horrible conditions, and people treat them as if they are nothing. But the funny thing is that most of these people came into power using the channels of communication in Nigeria, using these hard-working foot soldiers we call reporters, editors, to reach where they are today. They get all the visibility, and boom, when they are there, journalists are no longer important, or they see journalists as threat and they try to annihilate them. This is unacceptable. We want a free press, and government must walk the talk. When they say they believe in freedom of expression, freedom of information, as enshrined in the Nigerian Constitution, then they must walk that talk. There must be genuine freedom.
NUJ FCT 2025 Press Week go still continue with more programs wey go show how important media be for democracy and nation building. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifeme Onosimwa, TMC News.